where are you? We're calling you the witness saying you're supposed to be here at 1:30. He's not responded. And I do have him under subpoena, and we're personally served. So what I told the state was I'm not opposed to them calling their witness on order. The defendant's mom is trying to reach him now. Okay. And then I guess we got to make a decision from there for ourselves and the client. I guess one, what I was thinking, I don't remember how out of order his testimony was, to play back his testimony that he gave during the proffer and just cut out the part.
There was no cross because it was a proffer, but
No, there was no cross.
there
It
was.
can't be used.
It was the basis of his.
Yeah, it can't be used. There was no cross.
Good thought.
But I thought.
Well, why don't we do the jury instructions while we're here? I don't think that will take you.
State's ready.
Yes.
Okay, starting off with 2.1, introduction of final instructions. These are all the same instructions.
Correct.
Next page would be introduction to homicide. Any objections?
None from the state.
I'm just reading just to make sure. Okay, the introduction is fine.
Okay. Next one would be 7.2, murder in the first degree. 2 pages long.
No, this is him calling me. May I take the call?
Go ahead, sure, please. You don't have to step out.
Hello?
Unless you want to.
Yeah, where are you? I can't hear you. No, you can't appear by phone. You got to be here in person. So you're under subpoena. You said you'd be back here at 1:30. You got to be here. The judge didn't dismiss you. Okay, well, what time? You're under subpoena. You have to come back. You said you'd be back here at 1:30. So, what time do you think you could be here by? Well, we need to know what time you can be here by this afternoon. No, you can't be here at 6. The court's closed. So, well, you can't be here at 6. We're all going to be gone. The courts aren't open at 6. We're in the middle of a first-degree murder trial.
Jack, tell me to come now.
Let me ask the judge. We're in open court, by the way. Okay, hold on. He wants to know if you can be here tomorrow morning.
No.
No.
He has to be
I
here.
mean, I could put you on speaker. Should I put him on speaker?
No, he needs to be here in about 20 minutes.
But the judge wants you here in 20 minutes.
Or maybe 30.
Let's say a half hour. He's in Boca. It's raining. Can't make it.
It's not. Jack,
So I'm telling you now that you can be held in contempt. And no, but why do you want to be held? No, you weren't released from the court.
Sorry?
He's saying the sheriff's officer
Jack, just tell me to be here.
claimed that he was done, and that's false. Because the sheriff's department went out there and told him that everyone had a stake.
I know my chance.
Look, no one wants to have you held in contempt. We don't want you to place in jail. We just want you to show up and give 5 minutes of testimony. That's it. We didn't dismiss you. He wants to appear by phone. Yeah. I mean, that's up to the state because I can't do one side.
That's fine.
So, hold on one
Okay.
second.
All right, let him hear about, but how are we going to know it's him? I mean, I guess we...
Well, we have the same voice, so I guess we can stipulate it's him.
I don't know if he can be put under oath. I mean, I want to make this as easy as possible. I want to facilitate everything.
I mean, I'll just place him under oath. Actually, he's still under oath. We placed him under oath.
Yeah. So can you instruct him to still under oath?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have you pull over because it's too noisy, and he'll testify by phone. How about that? Okay, okay, that's what we'll do.
All right.
Okay, so can you please pick up? We're gonna call you from a different number, right?
It's a 355 number.
I think it comes up 272, but whatever number calls you, please pick up. So can you pull over now, and we're gonna call you in a few minutes.
Tell him about 10 minutes, because we got to finish these juries.
Yep, we'll call you in about 10 minutes. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, so let's go back to the jury instructions. We're at 3.4, we're now lesser included crimes. The lesser included crimes are secondary murder and manslaughter.
No objection to that.
Following that, we have 7.4, murder, second degree.
No objection.
Okay. Following that, we have manslaughter, 7.7.
I think this was the one that had the problem. Yes. The second page of the manslaughter instruction. A dangerous weapon is any weapon that. The paragraph discusses a burglary.
Yeah, it's still in there. That's come up.
All right, let me fix that. Boy, that's gonna be fun. So how do you want that changed?
So,
It should just, it should, instead of reading the burglary, it should say in furtherance of manslaughter.
You agree, Mr. Flushman?
yes.
In furtherance of manslaughter or the manslaughter?
Hold on. Let me just- Yeah, of the manslaughter.
Okay. Okay.
But why is the other two manslaughter instructions?
No, there's 2 pages to one instruction.
No, sorry. That's 7.4. That's the second page.
7.4 is murder in the second degree.
So can I step up and tell who's not? same thing.
And, Your Honor, just for the record, the state had previously requested the aggressor instruction. I know the court has denied it. I'm just renewing my request for the aggressor instruction based upon the text messages and testimony that's been admitted into evidence.
Okay, I'm going to maintain my prior ruling.
Plead not guilty or respond.
So 3.7, plead not guilty is proof. It's okay. Next we have 3.9, weighing the evidence. Page 1.
I think that's correct, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay. And next would be 3.9, B as in boy, defendant's statements.
Okay.
Next we have 3.10, rules for deliberation. There are 7 numbered paragraphs.
And no objection.
Following that, we have 3.11, cautionary instruction.
No objection.
Questions?
And no objection.
Next we have 3.12, verdict.
No objection.
Where is the verdict from?
It's separate.
That's separate.
Oh, here it is.
I'll give you 2 copies. 2-page verdict form. Guilty of first-degree murder is charged in the indictment for the first one, then guilty of second-degree murder of lesser included offense. And if that length is checked, then they go down and answer the interrogatories 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by guilty of manslaughter of lesser included offense with 1 interrogatory and not guilty.
Your Honor, I believe the last time that this case was in trial, one of the issues was, I think the court removed the part where it says as to count 1.
Yeah, maybe we can just take that out, is what they're, I agree.
Just say we,
Okay.
we find the defendant.
Yes, I think you modified it previously to we find the defendant.
Okay, so I'll make that change.
There's someone guilty now.
That's easy to change. Okay. Make 1 copy of that. And then we have 3.13, civilian case to the jury. This is the same as we did last time, except I did make the change. The last sentence on the bottom of the first page, we wish to see the firearm exhibit or any
Right.
of the other exhibits that require the use of special equipment instead of the Alamo.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure you're using an Alamo, are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
You call that the Alamo?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well, I just use special equipment.
That's
Otherwise,
fine.
it's the same.
I think we're the only people that know it's an Elmo.
I think so too. Although I think you all don't know how to use it. And then I'll give the closing argument instruction 2.7, but I don't think I need to do that. Okay, so we're good on that. I have to make those 2 corrections and make new copies. So that'll take a little bit. Mr. Fleischman, when we come back, did you want to just make the phone call? Is that what you wanted to do?
Yeah, can you explain to the jury that he's being allowed to appear by phone?
I mean, again, is there anything particular you want to say?
Just say that the next witness is
What's
appearing by
this?
phone.
You can't make it here, yeah.
Just say that he's appearing by phone.
Yeah, he's been allowed, it's Pastor, hold on. You,
I'm just going to call him by his name.
yeah, I mean, actually, call him, I thought Pastor was his first name.
It's not.
So.
No, Pastor, that's his title. It's,
Yeah, let me look it up. Actually,
I missed it.
that's like Jackson Destin.
Yeah, it would be like Pastor.
I mean, we're
That's
right.
his title.
Let me look it up.
It just makes sure it matters.
Jackson, Destin,
That's what I'm
Destine.
saying, like, it's just gonna take so long.
So I'll advise the jury, should I say, the defense last witness is Destin Jackson. I'm sorry, Jackson Destin. Jackson Destin. He is going to be permitted to testify by phone because
No scheduling conflict?
Yeah, just scheduling conflict.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
since the jury is currently out of the room, after that witness's testimony, I believe the defense is resting. I
Yes.
don't know if the defense wants to just
Do their JOA.
do the JOA now, assuming.
We have to send the jury out. I think they're not getting upset with all this.
Well, we can do it at the bench.
Yeah, we could do
It's
it.
not your fault.
We can do it
Okay,
at the bench.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just saying.
okay, that'll be fine.
No, but I figured the bench.
Okay, so the only thing is, before I instruct them, I'm gonna have to make these copies, so why don't I do that now then?
Okay, makes sense.